Whatever Mrs. Bonoan has for you today, I could see, well, we have clams, and you could never go wrong with clams. Mussels?
Mussels.
I'm sorry. Okay, there's my first mistake as a sous chef. But anyway, sous chefs are always forgiven. Okay, so Master Chef Evelyn, what do we have here for our guest today?
I'm going to make some hors d'oeuvres, so to energize ourselves. Okay, so it's mussels. And I'm going to show you how simple it is to make, when you're in a hurry and have some guests. As long as you have this frozen in your refrigerator, just defrost it or just soak it in cold water. Chop it, okay? So I know that...
oh, that's what you do? Soak it in cold water?
Right.
When I've been soaking it in hot water for the... for time.
But you know what? You can buy...
Okay, so when you see clams or mussels, I don't know what's the difference between clams and mussels.
Well,
no big difference, right? Clams and mussels.
Yeah, but clams are more tastier.
Okay, but they look the same to me.
Okay. They're more expensive, I guess. Yeah.
Okay, so we have here mussels, and you can go wrong with them. So his Master Chef Evelyn is going to show us how to do a good job in preparing it.
All right. We already have chopped mussels here. Okay, but let me show you how you're gonna chop it. You'll see this one, little bottom there.
Probably mussel. Yeah. Call it mussel.
Just remove it if you don't want to eat. I think it's kind of chewy, so try to remove it if you can. Okay, and then don't throw the shells.
You have dentures, don't?
Right. Don't throw them, because you're gonna use them as the filler. I mean the container for your hors d'oeuvres. Okay, so I have already chopped some mussels here, but I'm gonna show you how. But just make sure you remove what you call this, the tongue. Yeah, right.
Yes.
Remove that.
I should have done my research. I'm sorry, right. Master Chef.
And you'll see, like kind of thread inside. Make sure that that's not there. Okay, you don't want to eat that. And we need the chef knife. Okay,
it's probably part of the barnacle or something.
Okay, and before you use the shells, you can wash it very well, but don't, or you just can sanitize it. Just pour some boiling water and try to drain and dry it. Okay, and it's easy to chop this. I don't have enough space, but you can go ahead and. All right, and make sure there's no broken shells. Okay, that's not too good. Okay, so we can chop this by starting like lengthwise. Okay, and then turn.
Just be careful when you do it.
Yeah, and then
you might
just
be cutting something else.
Okay, so we chop it. Okay, so we have chopped the mussels. We're going to do this here. It's about 1 cup and 1/4 that I use here, and that's equivalent to about 10 mussels. 10 mussels, okay. So, and I guess everybody knows how to chop celery. This is celery. It's about 2 tablespoons of celery.
We call it cubes, right?
Right. The tiny dice or tiny cubes, right? And also.
That's carrots.
Yeah, Cynthia chopped this for me, but we need to chop it more. But that's all right, okay?
Finer, right.
And we have 2 buttons, the large ones, okay? And chopped onions, and we have the table cream. You can buy this in in carton.
Any quantities? What's the quantity?
Or this is about 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons.
And how much onion?
Yeah, that's 2 tablespoons too of chopped onions. Okay, so we can start heating that up.
What temperature?
Okay, it's about 375.
375.
Right. And you can use this, which is very handy. Okay, table cream. That's the one. Okay,
you have to do that. I'm
all right. Okay. And we need some corn oil. Okay. Corn oil is good for you. It's no trans fat, so We need about just a little bit, maybe 1 tablespoon of.
You notice the bottle? Instead of just putting them in the original, this is actually what do you call this?
Remy Martin.
It's a liquor bottle.
You know better. Okay, this is
Liquor bottle. And it's nice.
presentable. You know, you just
Yeah.
can put it outside.
Right.
Doesn't look like.
You can see it there. I put vinegar, but just make sure label. Okay, so we're gonna start today the mushroom first. Okay, and we want it to be hot. Okay, and we can go ahead. You know, actually, the easiest way to cook this is just dump everything. Okay, dump everything. Especially when you're in a hurry. And the onions, okay? This skillet is also very helpful,
yeah.
very handy and very helpful. Okay. Alright. Okay. So we need some salt and pepper.
Actually, you don't have to use salt and pepper if you don't need to, right?
Right. Because the mussels have inherent
Salty taste.
salty taste. Okay. So make sure you go easy on the salt.
Like me, I haven't had salt for quite some time, and I noticed it right away. Somebody put salt in their recipe. I noticed it right away. So you never miss salt. Take it from the
The experienced person.
yeah, the experienced person.
All right. Okay, so we're sauteing it just maybe 1 or 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
How many
2
teaspoon
minutes.
of oil did you put in it?
Which one?
How much oil did
Okay,
you
2 tablespoons of carrots, 2 tablespoons.
No, the oil.
The oil, just 1 tablespoon.
tablespoon.
Just 1 tablespoon. Okay. And as you can see that you know, the vegetables are sizzling, we can add the mussels. Okay. We need about 3 to 4 minutes. The mussel is already cooked. So we have to season it. A little bit of salt, as I said. And pepper.
It's better to use the freshly ground pepper. It's a lot more because the aroma is more aromatic, right? Plus it tastes better.
Okay. As you can see, it generates some liquid because the mussels generate some liquid. Okay. So just make sure you wait a little bit because the liquid will evaporate. Okay. Maybe a couple of minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. Now we're ready to put the cream. Okay. It's about 2 tablespoons.
What is this recipe called?
This is mussels orders.
Muscles order. Okay. Yes, I've been dying to know. Okay. There you have it, muscles order.
Right. Okay. Now I have some here ready already. Okay. This is so once it's
You want to add it on there? The more the merrier.
yeah, maybe a little later. Okay.
Okay.
When that gets cooked, you let it cool or chill it. Just you know, just for about 5 minutes. And then you add the mayonnaise, just about 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Okay. So that's about it. Okay. That's already the ready-made. There. So I'm going to start putting this in the mussels
Shells.
shells. Okay. And
You can also put it like on a zucchini boat or something. Put it.
sure,
Yeah,
sure.
put
You
it-
can be creative. Okay. So what I can do is maybe I will take your suggestion. I can put this here.
See, that's what sous chefs are for.
Right.
Okay. There we go.
So 1 more minute. Just want to make sure that it's hot. All right. And we need a spoon. Okay. Almost ready.
sous chefs. I've been wondering what sous chefs. Is it gopher? Right, gopher.
Maybe. Maybe. Okay. So it's done. So it's about like what? 8 to 10 minutes. There's right. Yeah. Okay. I can suggest that we can chop
Chili?
some. No, we can chop some parsley here. Usually the herbs you put it during the last 2 minutes of your cooking. Okay. So I need.
Actually, the herbs you see around is from her garden. So it's fresh.
It's real fresh.
And sometimes she uses it as a flower decoration. Like you see on the table, that's
This is the parsley, the regular parsley, not the curry one. Okay, but don't throw the stems because it gives really flavor to your soup. You know, keep it, freeze it, and put in your soup. Okay. So that's done. That's done. Okay, so I'm gonna put some more. That's already washed. Okay, so we're gonna put some parsley. Okay, so that's it. Okay, it's done. It's done. Okay, you can turn it off. And
Is it a good time to take a break?
sure, don't go away. We'll be right back.